好，咁啊，等我哋試下講下呢題先。咁啊，呢題就幾有趣下嘅。咁啊，多謝阿 Vincent send 俾我啦。咁睇下佢噏咩先。咁就係話有兩件物體，咁啊分別係1kg、1kg 同埋1kg。咁啊 A 同 B 嚟嘅。咁 B 就喺 A 上邊啦。咁 A 嘅長度就係1米。咁啊 A 同 B 下之間就冇 friction 嘅。咁冇 friction 即係冇 energy loss by friction 啦，同樣。no friction，跟住B 同 A 之間咧就有個 friction，咁個 coefficient of friction 就係0.05。咁啊咩為之 coefficient of friction 0.05咧？咁我哋就有條式嘅，咁啊叫做 F 就係 friction 就等於 mu n，咁啊 mu 就係個 coefficient of friction 啦，n 就係 normal force。咁啊即係所以個 friction 就係 determined by coefficient of friction 同埋 normal force 咯。咁啊呢度嘅 normal force 就大家都知道啦，咁啊 mg。咁啊，等於呢個十啦，即係當 G 係十咁樣，咁啊十，咁所以個 friction 咧就係等於0.5 Newton嘅。呢個 N 係 Newton 啊，呢個 N 係normal force，唔好混淆咁就得。咁所以呢個 friction 係0.5 Newton 啦。咁啊，第一題佢就問話，啊唔係，咁就話 B 咧就一開始由6 meter per second 咧就向右行，咁啊撞到 A，咁 B 同 A 嘅撞擊咧就係 elastic 嘅，咁啊問，即係佢係咁誒，佢係咁左右咁喐啦，咁終有一日咧佢會停低嘅，因為個 friction 會減慢佢嘅速度，咁啊問佢。當 A 同 B 同樣速度地 travel，即係相對 A 嘅時候，B 係停低。即係如果你企喺 A 上邊，你見到 B 係停低嘅話咧，呢個時候 A 嘅 velocity 係幾多？咁啊，part A 就簡單嘅，part A 咧就係 conservation of momentum。咁啊，可能又問點解唔用 conservation of energy 啊？哇，momentum，點解唔用 conservation of energy 咧？就因為friction 咧就唔係一個叫做 conservative，唔知叫 conservatory force 定叫乜嘢啦。總之就係、誒、就係、兩邊都有 energy loss 嘅，咁就唔可以 conserve 到。咁啊，譬如話，誒、譬如話有兩件 object，咁啊佢哋同樣被 friction slow down 到。點講咧？即係譬如話 A 同 B 喺度啦，咁啊。如果 friction 係即係 A 嘅 friction，如果 B 嘅 friction 係向左，而 A 嘅 friction 係向右咧，咁呢兩個 friction 造成嘅 work done 咧，未必係會相同嘅。咁所以其實加埋一齊咧，A 同 B 呢個 system 咧係可能有 energy loss 嘅。咁所以唔可以用 energy conservation 啦。咁我哋就用呢個叫做 conservation of momentum。咁我用翻地球個 frame 啦，即係出邊個 frame 啦。咁啊，initially 咧，哇咁犀利嘅，有啲紅色嘢喺度。係 initially 咧咁啊，誒就係 m 即係1乘1啦，咁即係一咪1乘6啦。咁啊 final 咧就係2乘 v 嘅，呢個就係 momentum。咁啊 v 咧就等於3啦。好，咁就係 v 等於3啦。跟住 part B 咯喎，咁啊我哋不如又試下 examine 下呢件 object 上面有啲咩 force 先。咁啊喺 B 身上咧就有一個向住 movement 反方向嘅零，唔好意思，即係如果佢向住 movement 反方向嘅0.5嘅 force 啦，friction 啦，咁啊 by action and reaction 咧，其實 A 身上都有一個0.5 Newton。哇咩事？誒唔好意思啊，我 still recording。好，我哋繼續。咁啊，即係話咧，呢個0.5 Newton 嘅 force，咁啊 F 等於 ma 啦，咁即係個 acceleration 咧就係0.5 meters per second 向住嗰邊嘅。跟住呢一個同樣啦，造成0.5 meters per second，meter per second square，sorry，向住第二邊，咁分別係誒，即係分別係對於 B 同 A 嚟講，咁所以咧，the acceleration of，喂 The acceleration of B relative to A 咧，咁我哋用呢個另一個打斜嘅呢個符號嚟表示啦。咁呢個就係 acceleration of B relative to A。咁呢個咧就等於0.5加0.5啦，就係1 meters per second square 嘅。誒係啦。咁initially 咧點講？或者咁講啦。咁每一次 collision 之後咧，因為佢係 elastic collision，跟住咧佢又係兩件 object with the same mass。咁我哋有個好神奇嘅事情，或者話叫做我哋嘅 observation。咁就係話咧，佢兩個嘅 velocity 咧係會對調嘅，即係話一開始嘅 U1咧就變咗做 V2 啦，咁 U2就變咗做 V1嘅。咁相信大家都留意到啦。咁於是乎呢個difference in velocity 咧就係都係維持一樣，或者你話 negative 都好啊，總之就係維持一樣。一開始咧呢個 VB with reference to A，即係 difference in velocity 咧就係6 meters per second 嘅。如果佢哋 relative acceleration 係一啦，咁所以咧個 time 咧就係 acceleration 除以呢個嘅 velocity。唔好意思，係呢個 velocity 除 acceleration，sorry 啊，velocity 除 acceleration，咁就係6除1，咁就係6秒啦。咁樣等下先。好，check 翻個答案係啱嘅，但係呢個係 Part C 嘅答案啦，因為呢個方法咧就做到 Part C 先。如果你想用呢個做 Part B 咧，都唔係唔得嘅，但係咧就要用到啲 integration。如果話先你未學 integration 咧，就暫時未可以用呢一隻方法嚟做。咁我有第二隻嘅，唔使擔心。誒，咁第二隻方法講咩咧？就係話我哋就用 work done of，喂，你就用 work done by friction，或者話即係 work done by friction 嚟做啦。咁啊。都係加埋兩個嘢，即係加埋兩邊嘅 friction，即係上邊 friction 同下邊 friction，即係1 Newton 啦。咁啊，work done by friction，如果 throughout 成個1米咧，咁就係Fs 啦，咁就係1乘1，都係冇人兩個分開，1乘0.5，咁有兩件 object，所以乘2。咁呢個就係每一次由，咁嚟試下先，係啦，由呢度去呢度嘅時候，佢哋誒會減少嘅 energy 啦，咁由呢度去呢度都係嘅。咁呢個 energy 係關於啲乜嘢咧？就係關於 A relative to B。咁即係呢個 B relative to A 嘅 kinetic energy。initially 啦，因為 KE before the first collision 啦，就係2分一乘36啦，就係18啦。咁由呢一個位喐到去呢個位，咁爭0.5米啦。咁所以 KE right before first collision，咁我哋 denote KE right 就用 KE 括號一啦，即係呢個係 right before the first collision 咁解。咁就係18減2乘0.5乘0.5啊，因為今次係啱唔啱咧？係啦，咁因為今次係就喐咗半個 distance 咯。零點即係等於17.5啦。因為都係頭先講到 elastic collision 兩個 same mass，咁就係 velocity 對調啦。咁所以就唔會 affect 呢個 relative 嘅 velocity 嘅。咁你可以話 change the magnitude，咁更加唔會 affect 呢個嘅kinetic energy 啦，relative，因為係 square 咗咯。咁所以 KE right after the first collision 咧就係都係17.5啦。咁我哋就可以用翻 work done 呢一隻，推翻去 KE right after the second collision，right before the second collision，咁就係2乘1乘1啦。咁就係點樣搞笑咧？sorry，2乘1乘0.5啦。就係唔好意思啊，17.5啊，呢個係17.2乘1乘，咁就係16.5啦。咁我哋如此類推咁樣慢慢做落去，咁就我哋會發覺咧。 呢個 KE right before the 17th，話係咪？哇！我啲數學麻麻地啊。right before the 如果 18th collision 咧，咁就係0.5。呢個係 KE of the relative speed 啊，即係我哋喺 A 嘅呢個 reference frame 入邊，咁有少少抽象啊，唔緊要嘅。好啦。咁啊0.5咧，咁啊如果喐翻，因為佢喐唔翻過去，因為呢個 work done，即係呢邊 work done by friction 係一啦。如果你 travel 咗成個，咁呢度就係 travel 咗0.5米嘅，所以咧件 object 咧就會喺喐咗十八次，喐咗十八次之後，再過多0.5米咧就會停低啦，喺中間呢個位。咁所以 collision number 就係18啦，咁呢個就係 part B 啦，跟住就到 part D。Part D 咧就係關於個 distance travelled by A at the instance they attain the same speed，即係 at the instance the speed becomes three。咁啊呢個 speed 咧 three 咧，我有個 remark 嘅，咁就係話咧 throughout 成個 process，即係 B 去喐嚟喐去成個 process 入邊咧，佢哋其實係個 speed of the centre of gravity of 呢兩件物體咧，一路都係等於三嘅。因為佢哋冇 external net force 啦，咁所以個 momentum conserve，所以一路都係等於三嘅，唔理點樣加埋都好。咁啊，跟住就再嚟咯喎，咁啊，我哋發覺咧，頭先我 part B 嗰度咧就發覺佢個 object A 咧就會 stop at 佢 initial 嘅 position with reference to A，即係會 start at A，會 stop at A 嘅中間啦。咁即係我哋唔使 consider。我哋唔使 consider 佢嘅呢個 displacement 嗰類嘢，咁咧我哋就可以直接用到呢個 VCM 嚟計啦。咁就係頭先有時間6秒啦，咁啊 displacement 咧就係 VCM 乘 T。咁啊因為 at the end 佢哋都係成個嘢向前喐噶嘛，咁啊所以你就可以就咁樣用呢個 term，咁啊計到3乘6就係18啦。咁所以呢個就係3乘6等於18，咁所以呢個就係呢一題啦。咁如果有多啲題都可以 send 俾我嘅。Stop recording。